We're at the spray park in Salina. And we always have one that everybody yells at. But it could be because he's shooting everybody with the water gun. To be young and have fun at the water park. And there's Sissy over there by herself. And yes, he's still at it. And he will be at it until somebody makes him leave. Doesn't that look like fun on a nice hot summer day? We need to learn to have fun like we used to as kids. As adults, we kind of let go of that. And it's sad. Because we get old and cranky then. We don't laugh and have fun like they do. Oh, new gun person. Check out the little one over there trying to plug up all the holes.